Hello viewers, so welcome back. So after a little gap, today I am preparing a video on XAUUSD gold, which is traded in forex platforms. There is already one video posted in the YouTube channel on XAUUSD. The only difference is there is no audio in that particular video. So here I've explained how magic levels helps to take entries and exits, and how to find out the direction, and how to take low risk entries with high reward. So you can observe here, this is the XAUUSD chart, and this is in an hourly time frame. Now the price and date is hidden as they are important. You can observe the reaction of gold near these red color lines. These red color lines are magic levels where trend reversals takes place, top and bottom. As so what we have to do is, when gold is falling from top, we need to look for buying. Similarly, when it rallies, we have to look for selling at top. So let us see. So here there is a selling opportunity here. You can see almost 50% target done. 50% target done means not even 50%. I think around 200 pips fall. Yeah, 200 pips fall from this point to this point, and later on it reverts again. If you see, it could not cross 3 times, and later on there is a breakout. So after crossing this, it could not reach the level. Even if we miss the entry here, nothing to worry, just 2 to 3 pips, around 10 pips is the gap between this candle and this level. So let us ignore that. Okay, no problem. So on crossing this zone, you can observe very clearly it has reached almost very close to the zone, and retrace it back, again reach the target. So the gap between these two levels is more than 400-500 pips, and there was a zigzag trade here. On crossing, there was a buy, around 100 pips movement was there, and later on it has given a short indication. Here the stop loss is gone, and it was trading in a small range. On crossing this level, it has come back and given a buying opportunity here, and it went up by 100 plus pips and slipped off. If you see, the stop loss is also 100 pips. It has not hit that stop loss, and it came back, and it is given a chance to exit here. So, and if you exit the long and take a short, here also the stop loss is not gone. Again it has come back. Here the trend reversed again. So close shorts and take longs. So most of the times it gives a chance to exit very cost to cost or very minor loss. Even if you lose full stop loss also, that is 10 points or 100 pips. Okay, that is the stop loss normally I suggest. So the target would be around 300-400 pips or 30 to 40 points per trade. Now here we lost 2 to 3 trades, but the loss is very minimal. Okay, and if you buy here, there's almost 50% target done, and if you hold with the part bookings, and almost target is done. On reaching this zone, again it struggled. If you short here with a small stop loss, again there is a around more than 150 pips fall. Again it reversed. Here on crossing this zone, again there is a chance to buy. Could not reach the target, and it has come all the way back and went up. So the target is done. So what happens is, sometimes when there is a news or any driving factors, they move very fast from one level to the other level. Otherwise they move up and down in between these two zones only. Okay. So as long as the gold price is not breaking this level, we need not go for selling, because after crossing this zone, our expected target is this. Selling to be done only below this zone or at top. So whatever the moves taking place in between these two zones are range bound moves, or position to be holded with the stop loss. And later on with the gap up, it crossed. Here there is a buying opportunity and slipped off. Close the buys and take short. Again it turned. So very minor loss we can close. After 2 days it has come back and was trading strongly at above the zone. So take longs very close to the target and slipped off. So even if the target is not reaching, nothing to worry, because normally I suggest to book 50% profits when there is a 50 of half between these two levels. The midpoint will be there we can book 50% bookings. So the gap, as I told, it is 300 to 400 pips or 30 to 40 points. We can book 100 150 to around 100 to 150 pips or 10 points to 15 points, and we can hold with trailing stop loss. So later on it turned negative, break, this level is breached. Here there was a small struggle and it has come all the way, given a short entry here. There is a fall of around 150 pips and again it went back. So again short, it's almost target done. So here there was a 3 to 4 times struggling by short. It could not go either side, either it is not moving up or moving down. Short, the stop loss, minor stop loss is gone. Again there is a buy, again reverse short. So after that, giving buy sell signals, finally it has slipped down. That's a complete target reach. So you can see this candle low exactly touched and bounced. Almost target has reached. See, observe this. From this point to this point, it has taken a little more time. From this point to this point, little shorter span of time, it has reached complete target. So on reaching this zone, it could not cross an hourly, take a short, it could not go down. Again came up, struggled, short. Here this candle has given a reversal. So exit longs and exit the shorts and wait for buying. This candle could not stay breached. Even if you buy here and close the buy and take a reversal. So if you go short here and it is going, it is taking a lot of time. See how much time it has taken to reach the bottom or at reversal. Okay, it could not go almost 50%. These lows are almost from this point to this point. Let us say this is the low. Yeah, almost this is 300 pips or 30 points. So from there it bounced. It could not go down completely, and after trading in a range bound, it reached the top, given a short. Okay, even if you are not shorting here, because this is a quick fall, ignore that. If you are fast enough, you can take. Otherwise, see, it has come all the way and given 3 times chance to short. If you short here again, the complete target is done. Another 300 400 pips, and there is a upside move of around 70 pips and reversed. Again short, almost half target done. 250, not 250, 200 plus pips done and reversed. There is a short, small fall, and if you see again, the shorts can be exited with minor loss or cost to cost. The stop loss is not hit. It is up to this zone. This is only 5 points or 50 pips. The normal stop loss is suggested is 10 points or 100 pips. So again we can go for buying from these zones. So daily candle gives us the direction. So basing on that, we can go for buying or selling. So from this point to this point, again it is all the way. Here I don't suggest buy. Normally I have given an indication, because on crossing we can take a risky buy only, because there is no much correction in this move. It is straight away going up. So always when there is a one side move, don't try to buy at top, and similarly when there is a one side fall, don't try to sell at bottom. Okay, so let us assume that we have not taken any buy, we are just waiting here. So all the way this has gone, and here the perfect short, it has given almost 100 pips and reversed. As it was trading strong, so buy almost 100 pips up and slipped off, buy around 70 pips, slipped off, short, small profit. So almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost 7 8 trades. It was trading in a small range only, buy, sell, buy, and so there is no much loss also. If you see buy, and this is not even hit the this this buy has taken the stop loss, and this short has not taken the stop loss. Cost to cost exit was there, and buy. Similarly, this buy also exited cost to cost and short. Again, cost to cost exit and buy. So when even sometimes they trade at this zone, up and down, nothing to worry. Later on, they give us a very big move. you can see very fast within a short span of time this has completely reached the target from one zone to the other zone, right? Okay, so again short, exit, short, exit, short. This candle itself has given 50% in 1 hour candle itself. Okay, so later on it bounced and completely reached the target. Okay, this is a very quick move. Even if we don't get nothing to worry, it will come back again. So here, even if we buy, we can exit at cost to cost and take short and buy. It went up by nearly 120 pips and slipped off. Short, almost 200 pips done, and later on it turned positive, slipped off, and if you buy at this candle, target is done. So tops and bottoms mostly they form near these levels only. After a big rally or when there is a big fall, the tops and bottoms are formed at these levels only. So we need not worry. While taking, three things we require. I always use it to tell to my students and even to the clients. We need to know the direction, destination, reversal points in advance while taking the trade. So when we know all these three things, we can trade confidently. Money management is also most important. We should have capital, sufficient capital also we need to have, and we need to follow risk reward management and capital management also. That is also most important. Okay, and if we have all the things like sufficient capital and following risk management, and we know the direction on crossing this level, we know that it is going to reach top. Similarly, when it is breaching the level, we know that it is going to fall the down level. So we can trade confidently. We need not watch the terminal every minute, or we need not worry about the position at all, right? Okay, similarly here if you short, it's done, target done completely. There are two trades. If you calculate, go back and calculate, the losses are very minimal. The risk rewards are 1:3, 1:5. So when there is a big move, it is much higher. Again the short, okay, there is no much movement. I think around 80-90 pips move, and reverse here, the stop loss is gone. Again there is a buy, cost to cost exit and short, and 200 nearly 300 pips fall and reversed. So there is a buy, could not go up much, slipped off, short, and up to this zone it is nearly 200 pips. So need not trade for 30-40 pips or 20 pips or 10 pips. You can catch big moves like 100, 200, 300, 400 pips in single trade. Okay, no need to trade with the big lots also. Okay, and see here is a short and reversed. This candle I think narrowly missed out. Actually, no need to worry. It could not reach the zone and reversed. There is a short. It's fallen almost 100 pips and reverse. If you buy, it's approximately 80 pips and slipped off. So this way we can trade XAUUSD gold using magic levels, right? So risk reward will be good, direction is clear, destination is clear, reversals are also clear. So this is how many magic levels works on gold. So if you have any queries, doubts, you can feel free to message me in Telegram, or you can send an email to me. The details are given in the description box. Okay, thank you for watching, and good day to you all.